Welcome to our channel. In today's special episode, we're discussing the fundamental principle of the 7 realms and the body's auras. According to yogis, the word aura refers to our bodies existing simultaneously in different realms. We have 7 different bodies that exist simultaneously as auras in different realms. As we become aware of the different layers of our being, we reach those realms, represented as auras. Our 7 types of auras represent our 7 different bodies, existing simultaneously in the higher realms. To understand our existence in depth, we need to learn about the 7 different realms and the bodies that reside in them. Each body and realm has its own characteristics and influence. This principle helps us understand the depth of our entire existence. By understanding this principle, we can gain deep knowledge about our true nature and state of being. First, the Annamaya Kosha, which is called the physical body. It resides in the Bhuloka, earth realm. It is the tangible proof of our physical existence. This body represents our current place and state of being. This is our physical aura. It encompasses all our physical experiences, pain, pleasure, and the impact of time and distance. Bhuloka is the world of our daily lives, where we are born, grow up, work, and die. Time and place hold great significance in the life of Bhuloka. Here, we measure the flow of time by the ticking of a clock. The experience of distance in Bhuloka is also based on physical distance and space. Our physical body connects with this world through all our senses. Second, the Pranamaya Kosha, energy body, Bhuvarloka, middle atmosphere, and etheric aura. The pranic body, said to reside in Bhuvarloka, the sky, is associated with our vital energy and etheric body. It signifies the flow of our life force and energy. In Bhuvarloka, there is a non-physical experience of pain and pleasure. This represents our etheric aura. The pranic body governs our life force and determines our health, energy levels, and vitality. The experience of this body is different from the physical because it provides us with life force in an invisible and subtle way. The pace of time in Bhuvarloka is slower compared to Bhuloka. This makes the experiences here seem beyond time. Even after the death of the physical body, the pranic body continues to exist. Third, the Manomaya Kosha, which is called the mental body. It resides in Swarloka, heaven realm. The mental aura and emotional aura reflect our mental state. It takes us into the world of thoughts. It is subtler than the etheric body and is associated with our mental and spiritual consciousness. It encompasses our thoughts, emotions, and higher knowledge. This is also called Loka. Here, physical experiences, pain and pleasure become null. When the Manomaya Kosha is purified, one gains the ability to mentally ascend to higher realms. The influence of time and space is negligible in Swarloka, and the experiences here are on a spiritual and mental level. Even after the death of the physical and pranic bodies, the Manomaya Kosha continues to exist. Fourth, when the Annamaya Kosha is developed, one enters the depths of truth. It is associated with Mahaloka, which is considered the realm of the wise and the sages. Here, one experiences profound knowledge and spiritual understanding. This is the state where our soul is engaged in higher spiritual practices. It represents the source of spiritual experience, bliss, joy, and happiness. This body is activated through higher spiritual practices and meditation. It is also called our intellectual aura. The influence of time is negligible in Mahaloka, and the spiritual experiences here are pure and serene. Fifth, the Annamaya Kosha, which is called the astral body. It resides in Loka, which is the realm of higher yogis and ascetics. Here, seekers experience deep meditation and bliss, and they spiritually advance. This realm is where one experiences spiritual teachings and knowledge. The astral body provides experiences of spiritual teachings and knowledge. It acts as our spiritual guide and inspires us to attain higher wisdom. Time and space have no influence in Loka. Sixth, the Annamaya Kosha, which is called the etheric template body. It is associated with the highest consciousness, which guides self-knowledge and introspection. It is related to Loka, where ascetics engage in the highest spiritual practices. Here, seekers attain enlightenment through deep penance. The etheric template body, said to reside in Loka, is the state where our soul is engaged in deep meditation and penance. It involves the practice and manifestation of meditation and spiritual disciplines. The etheric template body provides spiritual purification and elevation through meditation and penance. This body is the result of our spiritual practices and motivates us to progress on the spiritual path. Time and space do not exist in Loka, and the spiritual experiences here are limitless and pure. The spiritual body or celestial body, said to reside in Loka, the realm of ultimate truth, is where our soul attains ultimate truth and divinity. It clarifies our place in the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Here, only the soul or God exists. There is no existence of time and space, only complete emptiness. The celestial body helps us attain spiritual liberation, ultimate truth, and divinity. This body is a reflection of our ultimate existence and allows us to experience oneness with God. Time and space have no existence in Loka, and the spiritual experiences here are pure, peaceful, and limitless. This is called moksha, liberation. Yogis say that we are alive in all 7 realms simultaneously, but we only experience the Bhuloka. All realms represent the higher dimensions of the universe. We can only see the physical body, but when we delve deeper, we realize that we are not just this physical form. Our existence extends beyond this. Time is just an illusion. We are beyond time. When we enter higher dimensions, we can understand reality. Yoga is the only path that helps us connect to higher dimensions. When we reach Loka, we realize that we are only the soul, children of God, and nothing else. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, peace and bliss. Namaste.